Okay, this is my MB Warrior 200 camouflage mini bike with custom made rear and front racks. With a whopping price of $30, including the 2 cans of paint. I'm customizing my bike a bit. Got some flashlights I mounted for the front. I don't know if you can see that. And I used some stationary flashlight mounts to mount the front rack to the bike. I used a wing nut, drilled a hole through there through the fender to stabilize, and to help hold the weight. And just to stabilize it a little better, I put a couple zip ties on each side, attaching it to the frame. I don't know if you can see that on each side of the seat there. I'm going to get my little snips and snip these off a little shorter. I wanted to be able to make it so I could take this on and off. Oh, and I got these on, these caps, so I can pull these off, and I'm going to make a tow hitch. Hopefully, to pull a great big old deer out of the woods, this thing might help me tow a big old buck out, not breaking my back. I've ordered some webbing, bungee webbings, basically for bicycle racks. They're 15 by 15 inches, and I'm gonna put these on here. And I'm gonna put a bottom, I plan on putting a bottom in this. And I think I'm going to mount 2 plastic ammo containers on each side here, right in here, to help keep my stuff inside the rack here. Anyway, there's more to come. I got a little bit more to do to it. Plan on putting a Predator 212cc engine on this thing. I don't know if I should go torque converter or not. Some people say when they get wet they slip, or if you don't have a spare one and it breaks, you're really in trouble. If you're out somewhere a ways away from your tools. That's one thing why I wanted to build this rack. I can carry tools now, gas cans, my stuff for hunting, different things. This is the standard motor that came on it. So there's more to come. But there you have it. I looked all over YouTube to try to find homemade mini bike front and rear racks. Didn't really find anything. So this is what I come up with. By the way, it's all plastic, very sturdy. Very sturdy. That can take a lot of weight. But I wanted to use plastic so it wouldn't add a lot of extra weight to my mini bike. And I think that worked out. I kind of like the way it looks. Got a cool look to it. Yeah. Okay, stay tuned.